Morning YouTube. I just wanted to make a quick video telling people how to make a no-till garden bed cheaply. Sometimes you see all these fancy raised beds and lumber and garden soil and all that stuff looks super expensive. But today I'm here digging up some free soil that I got by just putting a post on Craigslist, and all it says was I was looking for wood chip mulch. So this stuff looks pretty terrible, but I've made a pretty nice looking garden bed very cheaply just by a post. And I'll show you some pictures of what the garden looks like. Today I'm getting some more for my daughter's fairy garden that she wants to build, but so this doesn't look like much, and you see all these weeds and there's trees and stuff coming out, but all this stuff pulls out really easily because this is 2-year-old wood chip mulch that's now just soil, and all this stuff just pulls out super easily. So this is a great fill for that bulk stuff that you need to make a no-till garden bed. Again, it looks ugly, but my vegetables are growing great right now. And this is all you need. Just put out some feelers, see what you can find out there. And there's always people with a pile of dirt that they're trying to get rid of, or a pile of wood chips that have been there longer than they want. So just put out some feelers and see what you can find, and I bet you'll find something free pretty quickly.